Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Shores Realty here in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in Citrus Hills in the neighborhood of Clearview Estates, touring this property that recently came on the market. It's a beautiful home on over an acre. It backs up to some equestrian trails. It's a 2-bedroom technically, but there's an office that could easily be converted into a 3rd bedroom. And the real gem here is the garage. It has a dedicated 2-car garage, but an awesome workshop as well. So the garage space itself is over 1,400 square footage. It also has an awesome lanai. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675 and join me on a tour. This property is listed with Geraldine Gaugler with ERA American Suncoast Realty. There's this really cool model of the home inside this home, so I just wanted to show you. It's super cool. Be sure to check the description below with the address, the price, and all the details. And if you'd like to see this home in person or have more questions, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.